puppies. You like popsicle? Hey guys, Shadow is eating Dad's popsicle.
Don't say hi, guys. You're not putting that on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, Shadow, do you like eating a popsicle? Go far away. And there's Tyler. And there's Dustin. Dustin, say hi to YouTube. Oh, he's just looking in the center. Oh my goodness. Dude, he licked my phone. Dad, tell me why Shadow ate his popsicle. Like, did you give him to him? Why don't? What did you want it? Or did you want to give it to Shadow? I think he's done. He's gonna puke. Puppies, Shadow. I mean your fudge. Yep. What the fuck was it? There's no more Shadow. Is that fiberglass? Oh. We saw this a while ago and I couldn't record it. Oh, Bobby, he just doesn't stop looking.
You got the whole thing. You ate my whole popsicle.
Don't let him chew on the wood, Dad.
Nah, hey. You don't eat that.
He's getting a shock collar and it's going to hurt him even more. He eats wood. Shadow!
Tyler.
Say hi to the camera.
Oh my God.
Shadow! Say hi to the camera. Puppies! Say hi to the camera. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's all I want to do. Bye-bye.